is a question we get asked a lot at Bellwether. The answer may surprise you. We often tell people, don't really worry about it too much. The truth is, once you go and get new siding on your house, sometimes people are really worried, is this siding gonna match with my roof? Most of the time, unless you have something really unique on your roof, that doesn't really end up being a factor. When you stand back across the street, down the street a little bit, the roof and the siding, when it comes to color, when it comes to a cohesive look, they oftentimes just kind of complement each other and your roof kind of blends in. It's not really a focal point for most people when you're looking at the house. Of course, there are exceptions to everything. So if that's something that's very important to you for the aesthetic reasons, there's a lot that Bellwether can do to help you out with that. We use a really powerful tool called Hover, which helps you to get a visualization of what your house looks like. We can do a 3D rendering so you can see your actual house, spin it around, look at it with different kinds of products, different roof, different siding. We can help you design the right project. Do we see a lot of homeowners focusing on the roof and siding matching? It comes up a fair amount. I would say 50-50, but we often tell people, don't get too caught up on that. Don't design your siding around your roof because your roof is gonna get replaced a lot more frequently than your siding is.